Happy 4th of July. Today's the day that no matter what else you have going on, we should carve out a few minutes to think about how fortunate we are to have our independence. It's also a day that many of us will be firing up the grill, heading to the park, or maybe just staying at home and making something that feels tasty and summery. So whether that's hot dogs and burgers, fall apart ribs, or simply a big fill-you-up salad, we have just the thing to wash it down. It's watermelon lemonade, and I promise once you try it, it'll be your new summertime favorite. To make it, all we do is cut up some watermelon into chunks and puree it in a blender. This takes seconds. Now, this goes into a large pitcher along with some cold water, lemon juice, and some sugar. After we mix this together, it's ready to serve over ice. And whether you serve this as is or spiked with a little vodka or rum, for an adult-only version, let me tell you, the combo of the fresh watermelon and the lemon makes this a real thirst quencher. So go online now and get the recipe for our watermelon lemonade, because you still have plenty of time to make it before everyone comes over. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, wishing you a 4th filled with lots of, ooh, it's so good. Happy 4th.